Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing how to make an X-Base cuff tutorial. Let's get started. You're going to need a very long string. This cuff takes a lot of string. These are the colors that I chose. So just make a normal single that fits your wrist. So I'm just going to add beads. Oh, I dropped it. Alright, the bracelet's almost done. Let's add a couple more beads. Now we tie it. Now that my bracelet is done, we got to cut this shorter string. Oh, my scissors are not scissoring. Oh, there we go. Make sure you keep the long string. You're going to be needing that. Now add 3 beads on your string. Just like this. Okay, so now we're going to skip over 2 beads. So we're going to put our string in this blue one right here. Skip over the red and the yellow. Just like that. You got to skip over these. Then you're going to repeat this all the way around. And make sure you pull tight. We want the bracelet to keep its shape, so we gotta tug pretty hard. Alright, time for the next step. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna weave into this yellow bead. But first we gotta go through this red one. So you put your string through the red into the yellow, like this. And now we can add beads. So we're gonna add 3 beads. Now we're going to put our string through this point, this yellow bead up here. Then you're going to pull tightly. We want to get its bowl shape, so we got to pull tightly. Do that all the way around. Alright, I'm almost done. Let's add my last beads for this round. And now for the last part, you don't want to put your string through here. You want to put it through this one. Then you're going to pull pretty tightly. And that finishes that row. If I didn't weave through this one, it wouldn't have looked even. Now instead of 3 beads, we have to add 2. So we gotta add 2 beads. Oh, and before you do that, you gotta weave to this middle one up here. Then you gotta weave through the yellow one. Now we add our 2 beads. And we're gonna put the string through this yellow one. Remember to pull tightly. There we go. Repeat that all the way around. And now we're gonna skip over these 3. You're gonna go into this yellow one that's right here. I know it's confusing, but it's because it's a part of a middle from our last round. And you're supposed to go into every middle from that last round as you go. And there we go, and that's our cuff. Our cuff is done. You can add spikes if you want, but I don't think I'm gonna add any. Actually, I might. If you don't want to add spikes, you gotta tie it. And I'll show you how to add the spikes. You can do 3 beads for the spikes, or you can do 5. I recommend 5. And you're gonna weave into this yellow bead right here. And pull tight just like that. Do this all the way around. Remember to put your string through the yellow bead. And when you get to the last part, you put your string through this yellow bead right here. To get to the bottom, you have to weave through these beads.